cheese with ham ko? I have to put the butter. A little bit lang. We'll just wait for a while. Okay? Let's just wait. Thank you. Oh, I need to flip this. Oh, yeah, help! Are we supposed to flip this? Are we going to flip this or do we just wait? Oh, waiting. Can I have this one? While waiting, you can see this. How it, goes. Well, how it cooks. If you're wondering why I'm in a different house, it's because the other house was in Marikina. We are in Lopez now with my tita, kasi my tita is usually in Marikina, so it's her vacation. Now.
How many ham are you going to cook?
One.
Only one?
Mine too.
Only two?
Three.
Only three?
Seriously? 7. Only 2.
When it's turned brownish na, it means
Why is it like that?
the chef cook. It makes sunog na your ham. Oh. No, put it back pa. Other back. Oh.
Is done na?
Then this one, the bread. Hindi na magtundaro sa ano. Sa bits.
How much? This much?
Yeah, more. That much.
Wait, let's put the cheese now. Nice. Well, professional is coming here to help me. Wonderful plus. Let's fit it. Butter the bun.
Flip na. The other one also. Flip. Just flip.
It's hard to flip.
You can do it. Pag hindi ba dyan di sa napusto yung media, binibila natin di sa pagkanis.
You count 20 and then flip again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Sasabihin ko,
I have to wait for the main. What's it?
flip it with the video.
Should I flip it up? Yay.
There.
One more. One more. No. One more cheese. One more cheese. One more cheese. Need more cheese.
Payakap din si Marta.
Hit na. Hey, that's only one pa. Do not eat pa. You will cook 4. Are you going to eat na kagad? Pig 4.
You will read the...
I'll bite once.
Okay.
Taste it first. Taste it first. And
It's hot. Let's open the fan. It's hot nga, JD. Oh. How's your
make a comment with your...
I think it needs more cheese.
Did you smell? No. Did you smell?
A little bit.
what? Tell us how you feel when you're eating,
It's very yummy.
Some comment, JD. That's how you make it.
Yummy.
Not only yummy, how the taste, how's the
salt,
is it
cheese, ham.
salty.
Alat.
Next time
Tamis.
ano,
You said,
It's very cooked.
alat or anghang?
It's very cooked daw.
I think just the mayonnaise.
Soup.
okay.
Too much cook. Yan o. Ayan, cheese.
High five to myself.
High five.
This is good.
I thought you're going to just taste one bite. How many bites did you make already?
This is hard. This is hard. Oh my god, it fell down. Help.
It's done na. Give that to your next customer na.
This is me again.
What? Dahil mo naman pinggan.
Okay. Stop na. Turn off the wasting. How it is. Is the cheese is stretchy?
The cheese is
The
not,
ham?
this- the cheese is not that stretchy. It's not that cooked, the cheese. Not that stretchy.
How about the mayonnaise? The mayonnaise, add more or it's
Add more.
perfect?
Add
Add more mayonnaise. Okay. How about if you want to add more ingredients like egg or bacon? Is it okay
Yeah.
to do some? Yeah, that's how you comment. And cut.
Last one bite. Last one.
Okay, I will
Okay, video is done.
Okay, I will eat na.